Welcome back to NewsRamp Cryptocurrency for Thursday afternoon, January 29th, 2026. As always, real news stories with AI narration. Visit newsramp.com for the full articles. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Here we go.
Now SEC drops lawsuit against crypto firm owned by Winklevoss twins. The USCC drops its lawsuit against a crypto exchange owned by the Winklevoss twins after clients involved in a disputed lending product were fully repaid. This resolution is seen as a positive signal for the crypto industry, impacting companies like MicroStrategy Inc., and could have broader implications for the sector.
Macro uncertainty triggers massive crypto liquidations. Macro uncertainty has triggered massive crypto liquidations, highlighting the close relationship between digital assets and global events. The recent sharp fall in crypto prices reflects broader economic conditions. Entities like Marathon Digital Holdings Inc. will be monitoring how the coming weeks unfold amidst ongoing macro fears. Investor news breaks. Solowin Holdings subsidiary receives in-principle stablecoin license approval from Bahrain Central Bank. Solowin Holdings announced that its subsidiary, AXCoin, has received in-principle approval for a stablecoin license from the Central Bank of Bahrain. This approval, pending final regulatory clearance, follows months of engagement and positions Alois Group to launch a compliant stablecoin within Bahrain's regulatory framework. The move supports the expansion of Solowin's stablecoin ecosystem across the Middle East, Africa, and globally.
Investor news breaks. Solowin Holdings subsidiary receives in-principle stablecoin license approval from Bahrain Central Bank. Solowin Holdings, a financial technology company, announced that its subsidiary, Alloy X Group, has received in-principle approval for a stablecoin license from the Central Bank of Bahrain. This milestone follows months of regulatory engagement, positioning the company to launch a compliant stablecoin within Bahrain's regulatory framework. The approval will support the expansion of Solowin's stablecoin ecosystem across the Middle East, Africa, and globally. Forward Industries Inc. provides update on Sol Treasury Holdings, which now totals over 6.97 million SOL. The company highlighted its SOL strategy, staking rewards, partnerships, and operational highlights, including SEC-registered shares on the Solana blockchain and testing a Prop AM. FWI's validator infrastructure generated 6.73% gross APY before fees, with most SOL holdings staked and no corporate debt.
Crypto news breaks. Perpetuals.com Limited introduces quantum-resilient self-custody crypto vaults. Perpetuals.com has introduced quantum-resilient crypto vaults, providing institutional-grade security through self-custody without third-party custodians. The vaults feature multi-layer cryptography, quantum-resilient RSA encryption, and quantum entropy injection to address long-term security risks. This launch meets growing institutional demand for crypto infrastructure, offering true self-custody and quantum-resilient protection at the infrastructure level.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Cryptocurrency Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.